Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove devices on your Netflix app. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Netflix. So you click on your profile, then click on your profile icon again on the bottom right, and click on the three lines on the top right, and select Account. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you come to Manage Access and Devices. So you want to click on there. And this will just bring up a list of all the devices that are logged into your Netflix account. So obviously if you see any that you don't know or unfamiliar to you, you'll obviously want to sign them out. You also have the option to sign out of all devices at the bottom if you want to do it that way as well. But if you want to do individual devices, just click on Sign Out, and that will remove the device for you. Thanks for watching.